Hi, I'm Caitlin Bronsky with the Elite Home Team at eXp Realty. I'm a top realtor here in the area and a resident of Scottsdale. Now, the Scottsdale Relocation Guide was created to help you stay up to date on everything going on in and around Scottsdale. Our goal is to educate you on the real estate market, current investing trends in our area, and tips for buying or selling. Now, we'll take deep dives into some different communities, go over local events, and recommend businesses that you just have to visit whether you live here or you're visiting. Now, we'll also include ideas on recreational activities that you can do with your family and even debunk some myths about Arizona in general. Our goal is to provide you with content on things that you would only know if you really lived here and may not even know if you live in a different city here. So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to our channel so that you can continue to follow us. And if there's anything that our team can help you, give us a call at 480-684-0800. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for our weekly content.